Holy shit! Look at that. It's fucking awesome, bro. Watch this shit. Sucks. It's amazing though. Up here at the bridge up in front of us, cars are going up to their fenders trying to get through. It's cop blocking it all off. I'm gonna see if I can get a shot of it.
Regardless of where you live, join the fleet with the safest, most respected drivers in the industry. We're hardworking, dedicated, and passionate about what we do.
Yeah, look. Up between there. There's a white car right up to its fucking fender. I think it died. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Look at it! Look at it! It's fucking awesome! Whee! Whee! Oh man. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get back there and show you guys what it looks like down at the bridge. But first I gotta show you guys this. Ready? Yeah! Woohoo! Kissy shit. That's right. Oh man, I feel like my car just wants to die right now. Oh. I would hate to be the car in this weather. Just water everywhere. I mean, holy fuck. I'm gonna try and park somewhere and show you guys down at the fucking bridge.